Welcome back to another new exciting video. Guys, I just want to give you a short update that Lovable is giving the free access for all of the users only this Sunday 8th March for the International Women's Day, and please get this access on their official website. And what you can do, go to this cbuilds.lovable.app. I have given this link in description, and here you can upload your photo, and you can share this on social media, and after that they will take your post and they will show it on their official website. Here you see that other people also have shared it. And why they are giving free access? Because here you see that it is from the Anthropic. They are partnership with the Anthropic, that Anthropic is giving $100 credit for free for all of the users. And here you see that no application, no eligibility requirement, no paid subscription required. So from 8th March to 9 March, only for this 24-hour window, you will get this free usage. Okay. And also remember one thing, that it does not include the Lovable Cloud AI or email. That is a total different thing, but you can easily build any website as your choice on this Lovable. Okay, so this was a short update that I wanted to share with you. If you want to get this type of latest update what is happening, don't forget to subscribe this channel Code Digit, and stay updated. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care, and please share this video with your friends, those who want to build something new and something great. And by the way guys, it was not a sponsored video, I just found helpful, that's why I'm sharing with you guys, because you are my family.